Hey guys, so I've moved quite a few times and I would have loved to have this spreadsheet when I was moving. So this is a change of address checklist spreadsheet. It's totally customizable. You can put whatever items you have in there that's unique to your situation, and it'll help you to remember what addresses you've changed and what needs to be done. So we've got a move out date, and double click in here and change the date. You've got a move in date. You can change that as well. We've got everything categorized by home, money, business, other, and people. And then I've got additional items here because, how many people, you have multiple friends, you have multiple doctors, you have lots of things and places that you need to, you know, change your address. So you can basically delete this out and then you can write, whatever is specific to your items. And then you can print it out. Just go to File, Print, and then go to Fit to Width and Portrait, and then you can print this out and then just check it off as you get it done. Put this in a notebook and make it pretty. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope that you're able to get your addresses changed. This is also part of a larger spreadsheet called the Ultimate Moving Planner Bundle. So it's got 11 different sheets that are helpful to moving, and so I hope this helps you. And also the README tab, it's going to have the link to this YouTube video when I'm done with it. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. Thanks and have a great one.